Morning students, today I am going to teach you a shortcut to write the product of aldol and cross aldol condensation. First let us see about aldol students. After completing aldol, I will teach you crossed aldol also. Before starting aldol, I will say you the differentiation between aldol and crossed aldol. Aldol means that is a reaction which takes between two same type of aldehydes or same type of ketones like acetaldehyde and acetaldehyde or acetone and acetone. Those kinds are called as aldol. Whereas in case of crossed aldol, you will have two different compounds. For example, acetaldehyde reacting with propanaldehyde. In that way, two different molecules. Okay. Now let's start with aldol. I've written the reaction. This is how the aldol takes place. Now see here, this is called as acetaldehyde students. It is reacting with dilute NaOH to form CH3CHOH CH2CHO. On heating, condensation process is happening. One molecule of H2 is removed and we get CH3CH double bond CHCHO. In examination, you don't need to do all the mechanism and then find out. Now I am going to reveal a shortcut which will help you to do it in a minute. Within a minute you can write the products. In competitive examination, they'll ask you, they'll give you a question like this and they'll be telling you to find out the products of that. So I am going to reveal the shortcut and let's see an example so that I can teach you the shortcut. Two molecules of CH3CHO. So write two molecules separately. You don't write like this. Write in a way I am teaching you. You just write it like this. Okay, so that it will be easy. CH3C double bond OH. Okay. Now what is the product? They will ask you. I am going to teach you. Remove one oxygen, students. Listen carefully. Remove the oxygen, double bond O from the first one. And here you have to remove two alpha hydrogen from alpha carbon. The functional group's next one is called as carbon, alpha carbon. Remove two alpha hydrogen and then write the product. What you will get? CH3. See, we have already removed O, so no need to write it. Only hydrogen is here. Here we have removed two hydrogen. You will have one hydrogen there. So put double bond to it. Then COH. C double bond OH. This is your product. That's it. This is how you have to do. I'm going to teach you another example. Before that, I'll just name this compound. This is called as but2-enal. Okay, why 2-enal in the second carbon? You are having double bond and it is aldehyde group, so al. Okay, this product is same as this one. You don't have to do this intermediate step. You can easily remove a molecule of H2O from this and find the product. Now look for the next example, students. I'm going to give you CH3COCH3. Acetone, right? 3COCH3 plus CH3COCH3. Same way, remove double bond O from this carbon, and here you will have to remove two alpha hydrogen. Then write the product CH3CCH3. Actually, if you write the CH3 here, you will be confused. So write the CH3 here because we have to make double bond here, right? Here you have removed two hydrogen. So put a double bond and write CH, CO and finally CH3. This is your product. Now let's name the compound, students. 4-methyl pent 3-ene, because 5 carbon we are having. In third position we are having double bond, so 3 in and 2 on, because you are having double bond in this, right, in second position. That's it. This is how you have to do for aldol. Again I'll explain for aldol. You will have this similar compound. This is acetaldehyde, this is acetaldehyde. Acetone reacts with acetone. In that case it is called aldol. If two different compounds, it is called as crossed aldol. Now let's see an example of, let's see for crossed aldol, students. Crossed aldol. What is cross aldol? As I said you already, it is between two different things. I mean, it may be between acetaldehyde and propanaldehyde. Look, CH3 CHO plus propanaldehyde we'll write CH3 CH2 CHO. Here you are having acetaldehyde, here you are having propanaldehyde. So it is called as crossed aldol. What is the product? If I ask you this question, you will say that it is having one product. No, actually not. Students think that this one is having just one product, but no. It will have 4 products. How many products? 1, 2, 3, 4 products it will be having. How, ma'am? How can it have 4 products? If you ask me that question, I am going to reveal that. Usually students find difficult to find the products for crossed aldol, but I am going to make it in a simple way. So listen to my lecture perfectly. I mean with 100% attention, students. First you have to do self product. What is the meaning of self product? This is the first product. Now let's consider this as A and this as B. Okay. Self product in the sense A with A itself. That is called self. A with A. Another self means B with B. Cross means what? A with B, B with A. Remember this kind of short trick. You can easily find it out. A with A means, what is the A? CH3CHO. CH3CHO reacts with same molecule, A only, right? CH3CHO. Now you do my trick. Remove oxygen from here. I mean double bond O from the first one, and remove alpha hydrogen, 2 alpha hydrogen from here, and then write the product. We'll get CH3 CH double bond CH C double bond OH. We get this product. This is our first product. Now do B with B. Propanaldehyde, right? CH3 CH2 C double bond OH plus CH3 CH2 C double bond OH. Remove the double bond O from the first one, and here you have to remove. Here, look here, important point. Students make mistake here. They will remove 2 hydrogen from this one. But as I said you already, you have to remove 2 alpha hydrogen from the alpha carbon. Which is the alpha carbon? Is this your alpha carbon? No. This is your alpha carbon. Which is called as alpha carbon? The one which is to the functional group is called as alpha carbon. So this is your alpha carbon. So we have to remove 2 hydrogen from the alpha carbon. I hope you understand. Now let's see the product. CH3 CH2 CH double bond. Here you have removed 2. So only one carbon will be here, and this is linked to this carbon. Put that CH3 here. C double bond OH. This is your product. Make sure you just note this point in your notebook so that it will be helpful to write the products without any mistake. Now we completed the self products. We are going to move on to the cross product. I said you to react A with B, right? Which is our A? This one. Which is our B? Propanaldehyde. Should I write it again here, or we shall do this, right? Yeah. Remove the double bond O. Here you have to remove alpha hydrogen from here or here? Here. Very good. Because this is your alpha carbon. Now try writing the product, students. Here you have removed 2 hydrogens. So you will get CH3 CH double bond C CH3 C double bond OH. This is your third product. What about the fourth one? You have to do B with A. This is a B. So just write it down. CH3, CH2, C double bond OH. Propanaldehyde reacts with acetaldehyde. CH3, C double bond OH. And what is your product, students? You have to remove the double bond O. Here you have to remove 2 alpha hydrogen from your alpha carbon. So what you will get? CH3, CH2, CH, double bond C, H. One more hydrogen is there. C double bond OH. Finally, you got your fourth product also. Now see, this is your first product, second product, third product, fourth product. You got 4 products, as I said you already. So this is the method to solve cross aldol. You have to remember this point alone. It is very easy, students. If you can also remember this thing, so that you don't make any kind of confusion here. Okay, now I'm going to give you a question, test yourself question. Don't copy the answer. Yeah, now click on the pause button and just copy it down and try it. You can definitely do it, students. I'm going to reveal the answer, but you have to do it on your own by pausing the button. Here, if you got this answer, you are perfect in this topic. You will not make any mistake in your examination. So if you don't get this answer, don't get demotivated. Watch my video again and then try to do it. You can definitely do it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like this, like it. Click on the like button.